Hello dear children. The topic in continuation with galvanometer that we are going to study is ammeter and voltmeter. So firstly, coming to ammeter, an ammeter is a device which is said to be the low resistance galvanometer. It is used to measure the current in the circuit. As I earlier told you that the galvanometer can note down very small values of current. So if in a circuit we want to note down the large values of current, then an ammeter is used. So basically ammeter is nothing but a galvanometer with which some of the changes or some of the modifications is to be done. Now consider one thing in your mind, that if you want to make a device such that more current enters that device, more current passes through that device, so you must reduce its resistance. And how can we reduce resistance of something which already has a high resistance? You can connect it to a small resistance. So what is done to make an ammeter? A galvanometer is first of all taken. The small resistance, a very small resistance, is connected in parallel to it. This small resistance is called as S. This is exactly named as shunt. Word shunt meaning to make the current, to make the different passage to current, or to make the current pass through different path. So earlier the current that was entering to galvanometer was Ig. Now as the current ceases, overall resistance of device has been reduced. What will be the overall resistance? It will be the parallel one. Overall resistance can be represented by R, and it is the parallel of these two combinations. How do we calculate equivalent resistance in parallel? It is product upon sum, Gs upon G plus S. So this is the overall resistance of this device. Now when current I comes, Ig current enters the galvanometer, and the rest of the current, that is Is, enters shunt. So it is very much clear that I is equal to Ig plus Is. So total current that is entering our ammeter is now I. Earlier it was Ig. So if earlier the range of the galvanometer was 0 to maximum, that is maximum Ig current, now the range has increased to, range of ammeter is now 0 to I. So what is the modification that you have done? You have reduced the resistance overall, because आप जानते हैं if two resistances are connected in parallel, then their overall resistance is lesser than the least. What is least here? Shunt has the least value here. So overall resistance is lesser than shunt. That means more and more current can enter through it. Now we can do some of the mathematical. Let this point be equal to A, let this be B. So AB is common for both galvanometer and shunt. So what we can do? The potential difference along AB is equal to same. So potential difference across galvanometer is equal to potential difference across shunt, because potential difference is nothing but current into resistance. Now Ig into G is equal to Is, can be written as I minus Ig into S. So if you want to find out the value of G from here, you can use this equation for calculating the value of Ig as well as I as well as shunt. We will be using this equation. So this will be our basic equation, in which we are going to put further Is is equal to I minus Ig. So in this equation, Ig meaning the old current, I meaning the new current, new range, new maximum current that an ammeter can note, S meaning shunt. So what is the shunt that is needed is given by Ig over I minus Ig into galvanometer's resistance. So this is your final answer. So moving on to a numerical for solving, for using this concept. So I'll be explaining a numerical so that the concept is clear to you. An ammeter, in an ammeter, the resistance of ammeter resistance of ammeter is 0.80 ohm. Now children, it is the case that if a galvanometer earlier is connected to some सम एमीटर, अर्लियर आपने इसको किसी एमीटर में कनेक्ट कर दिया कोई शंट लगा के, सपोज इसका खुद का रेजिस्टेंस था, सपोज कर लें 100, और आपने जो शंट लगाई है, शंट की वैल्यू है से आप सपोज कर सकते हो शंट की वैल्यू से 20, तो ओवरऑल रेजिस्टेंस कितना बन गया, रेजिस्टेंस इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ दिस डिवाइस इज प्रोडक्ट अपॉन सम 100 into 20 divided by 120. So when you will be solving it, it is 2000 by 120, that is 100 upon 6, 50 by 3. This is the overall resistance. I am explaining you one point, nothing else. This is not in accordance with this numerical. अब ये जो एमीटर बन गया, अगर आप इसको एमीटर लिख रहे हो जिसका रेजिस्टेंस 50 by 3 है, आप इसकी रेंज और इंक्रीज करना चाहते हो, देन कनेक्ट फर्दर लेसर रेजिस्टेंस इन पैरेलल टू इट. आप जितने छोटे रेजिस्टेंस पैरेलल में कनेक्ट करते जाएंगे, रेंज उतनी ही बढ़ती जाएगी. चाहे गैल्वानोमीटर की रेंज चेंज कर लें, चाहे बने हुए एमीटर की रेंज चेंज कर लें. तो इन दिस क्वेश्चन एक एमीटर है जिसकी ऑलरेडी आपको रेजिस्टेंस गिवन है, तो यू कैन राइट इट टू बी जी, बिकॉज हम तो न्यूमेरिकल एग्जैक्टली फॉर्मूला से करने वाले हैं. सो जी, व्हाट वाज द करंट इट वाज नोटिंग डाउन अर्लियर, इट इज 1 एम्पियर. You want to enable it to note down a current of 5 ampere. They're asking अब कितना शंट लगाएंगे, फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे शंट का, IG over I minus IG into galvanometer resistance. Use this formula. IG is 1 divided by 5 minus 1 into 0.80. Solve it. 1 by 4, 0.80. It will be 0.20. So what is the value of shunt that should be connected in parallel? It is 0.20 ohm. And second, they are asking what is the combined resistance. For finding out the equivalent or combined resistance, it will be equal to GS upon G plus S. GS meaning 0.80, 0.20 divided by 0.80 plus 0.20. Solving it further, it is 8 into 10 to the power minus 1, 2 into 10 to the power minus 1, 16 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by, इनको ऐड करेंगे तो आएगा 1. So overall resistance will be 0.16 ohm. Please check it for this answer and we are over with the concept of ammeter. Now if we want to note down the value of voltage, not the current, then the device which is used is called as voltmeter. So next we'll be discussing the concept of voltmeter. So exactly what is a voltmeter? It is a high resistance galvanometer because you want to note down the potential through it, so you want its resistance to be very high, so that lesser amount of current enters, very high resistance, and large potential drop should occur across the voltmeter so that we might note the actual value. So high resistance galvanometer. To convert something which is of high resistance into further high resistance, you must connect a high resistance in parallel to it. Now children, we'll be writing this resistance to be R. If you connect a galvanometer in series with a very high resistance, this overall you can say configuration of this overall arrangement is written as a voltmeter. Now the current in series cannot change, hence the current initially entering was IG, now also it is IG. For writing down the value of we can say G or the current is always equal to total potential. Potential difference between A and B, potential difference between A and B can be written as V. So formula will be V over total resistance. Total resistance is G plus R. So if I need to find out what should be the value of R that is to be connected in series with it, then multiplying Ig into G plus Ig into R is equal to V. Solving it further, Ig into R, V minus Ig into G, dividing by Ig R is equal to V upon Ig minus G. So this is the formula which will be required for the numerical purpose. In this particular formula, in this particular question, we'll be finding the resistance जिसको series में connect करना चाहिए to increase the range of the voltmeter. Earlier the voltmeter was noting down Ig into G. Now the voltmeter is noting down Ig into G plus Ig into R. So previous value was lesser, the new value of voltage is larger. So voltmeter is said to be a sensitive, more sensitive device as compared to the galvanometer in noting down the values of voltage or noting down the values of potential difference. So finally again writing down the answer, V over Ig minus G. Now learn this formula and we'll do one of the numericals for this also. We'll just be applying the formula, direct formula, for the purpose of that numerical. So numerical comes, there is a galvanometer whose resistance is 12 ohm and shows a full scale deflection current, that means Ig. Full scale deflection current meaning Ig for a current of 2.5 milliampere. You want to convert it into voltmeter whose range now is 7.5 volt. Then what will you do? They are asking what will you do. You will say we will connect a resistance R in series. What is the resistance that you are going to connect? R is equal to, formula was V upon Ig minus capital G. Here V is the new range, the final range or new range of voltage. That is equal to 7.5 divided by what was Ig? Initial current was equal to 2.5. Don't forget to write down a milli because there is a milliampere here, and minus what is the galvanometer resistance? It is 12. Solving it, 7.5 upon 2.5 into milli 10 to power minus 3, ऊपर जाके 10 to power 3 minus 12. Further solving it, this is 3000, this is 3000 minus 12. So when you will subtract it from here, you will get the answer to be 2988 ohm. Please check for the correction of this answer. Yes, 0. Yes, it is 2988. Then they're asking also find the total resistance. For finding out the total resistance, it is R plus G, new resistance, because R and G now are in series. So resistance R was equal to, you calculated it to be 2988 plus galvanometer resistance is 12. Adding them both, you will get 3000 ohm. So overall resistance of this device is 3000 ohm. Thank you.